Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of refraction. Now in this question, a vessel of depth d is half filled with a liquid of refractive index N1 and the upper half is occupied by immiscible liquid of refractive index N2. Viewing it from an eye in the upper liquid, the apparent depth of the liquid is option A d upon 2n2, option B d n1 upon 2n2, option C d n2 upon 2n1, option D d by 2 bracket n1 plus n2 upon n1 n2. So first of all we see what the question wants to say. This is a container of total depth d, which is half filled by medium of refractive index N1, this is d by 2, and remaining half is filled by refractive index N2. Immiscible means the liquids will not get mixed up. And we are looking from this and we have to find out apparent depth. Now formula for apparent depth. First of all we see what is given to us. Given is two liquids, one is of refractive index N1 and another is of refractive index N2. Now formula for apparent depth. Formula for apparent depth is equals to real depth upon refractive index. But this is a composite liquid. So for composite liquid, now we see for the solution. So apparent depth for composite liquid will be equals to, for first liquid, real depth is d by 2 upon refractive index N1. For second liquid, d by 2 upon refractive index N2. So I take out d by 2 common. So this becomes 1 upon N1 plus 1 upon N2. By taking the LCM, we get this is equals to d by 2 N1 plus N2 upon N1 N2. So what is our answer? Our answer will be the apparent depth is equals to d by 2 bracket n1 plus n2 upon n1 plus n2. Hence we see in the question what is our answer? Answer is option D. So here also we write down the answer is option D is the correct answer. Option D is correct answer. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.